I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the RST TracTech EVO II armored textile jacket. Okay, retail price is $259.99. Who is this jacket right for? Well, clearly it's a sport bike coat. It's got a race hump on the back, very subtle, right? But it is there, armored, lots of protection. We'll talk about that more. It has a removable quilted insulating liner, both vest and sleeve. Kind of zips into, we'll show you that later. It's really cool. It also has a waterproof liner built into it with zippered vents. So this coat is going to offer multi-season use depending on your internal thermostat. If it's smoking hot outside, I'm talking if it's like 95 degrees or something, and you want tremendous ventilation, you want to look more towards a mesh coat. The ventilation on this coat is not direct to skin. It goes in between the waterproof breathable membrane and the exterior of the coat. Sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, probably closer to 205 pounds right now, about a 33-inch waist. It's post-holidays, judgment-free, please. I'm wearing a 54 euro in this coat, and I do have the inner removable quilted liner in there, which does absolutely pick up some volume, right? Requires more volume inside the coat. When you buy a coat like this that has liners that are removable, what I like to suggest to people is that your sizing, you want to think about when are you going to wear it most? What configuration? You're going to use it most with the liners? You're going to use it most without. Myself, I'm a fair weather rider. I've said that a million times. I'm not going to ride unless it's real nice outside. So the insulated liner, I would have very little use for that. Maybe early season a little bit, late season a little bit. So I'm going to size my stuff sans liner. Okay, and I've tried this on without the liner, and it fits a little bit better than it does right now. Right now it's very form-fitting, but with the motion panels they have in it, I have all the mobility that I could ever need. Features, benefits. What I like about this coat. CE certified armor, elbow, forearm, shoulder. Got a shoulder slider external. That CE certified back protector that's included in the pocket in the coat. Tremendous value add. We have zippered storage pockets here, both sides. Hand warmer style. Volume adjusters for when you remove that inner liner. Up here in the bicep. Around the waist, all done with textile and Velcro. Volume adjustment here in the cuff, nice little Velcro TPR pull. There's more storage inside the coat. See here, left breast. This feels like it's going to be a waterproof pocket, but as you open the coat up, and this is how they get to the waterproofing here. There is your waterproof liner, and RST built a second zip into this. Unzip here, and inside the liner on the left side, got a little Napoleon style pocket here. Kind of get a sense for the quality of the liner itself. The quality of the jacket is phenomenal, right? The fit is great. Quality of materials, quality of stitching. I think you'll be really impressed. We're going to show you a lot more of that when I take the coat off and disassemble it. Okay, inside out, RST TracTech EVO II armored textile jacket. Has a removable quilted liner, and even the liner itself shows the quality of the garment. See a storage pocket here inside the liner, zippered. See the size of that. Slip pocket over here with a Velcro closure on the right side. Right, and once again, like I said, nice, high quality liner. Fully removable. It comes with soft shell CE certified armor in the shoulder, as well as the elbow forearm. Big news is fully CE certified back protector comes included in the coat. This material is one of those that as it warms a little bit, it becomes even more pliable and more comfortable. So you get a nice protection package with this jacket without having to purchase any add-ons. Great benefit. Shell of the coat itself. Back of the coat, race hump is integrated. Okay, gives it that factory look. Exhaust vents are built in and hidden. Zippered style down here at the base of the jacket. Some reflective logos are screened on. Volume adjustment here at the waist is managed with textile and Velcro. Large motion panels, right? You're able to move on the bike, you're comfortable, and improves the riding experience. Large motion panels in the shoulder area on both sides. Roll the jacket over, get to the sleeve. That sweet shoulder slider, a different textile fabric here, gives it a nice contrast. Heavy D stuff here in the forearm, that's the crash zone. Once again, screened on reflective logo. Volume adjuster here in the bicep area for when you decide to pull the liner. Volume adjuster here in the cuff. Something else that's really impressive is the way they attach the liner. That zips in. You don't have Velcro, you don't have these cheap little snaps. You have a nice zipper. It keeps everything real tidy, tucked away, super comfortable. Great feature. The quality of this stuff is just so impressive when you get it in your hands. Intake vent up here in the shoulder. That's a prime spot when you're riding. It pops open, drives the air inside the coat. It's going to circulate inside between the two liners, the waterproof breathable membrane and the exterior of the coat. And then, of course, you have the exhaust vents open. It vents out the back. Zippered storage pocket here. Left and right side mirror image, and you can see the way they hide the zips. Real clean look. We have comfort fabric lined here around the collar. Feels good against the skin. Here's the pocket that holds that CE certified back protector. As you get inside the coat, full circumference, zip to pants attachment. Storage pocket here. Left breast. That's, of course, waterproof. Remember, we have the waterproof membrane is inside the coat. Nice, comfortable mesh liner. Feels good against the skin. All in all, what do I think of the coat? Ton of value once again. This is really a premium jacket for somebody that's looking to ride in multiple seasons. The only place I would say this might struggle a little bit, and it depends on your internal thermostat, is when it's super hot out because the ventilation is not direct to skin. Okay, and this is true with a lot of waterproof coats. It's not direct to skin. Its ventilation properties aren't going to be as high as, say, a mesh jacket. So you need to understand that, coming into it. Sells at a great price, tons of value. We really look forward to moving forward with this RST line. This is the RST TracTech EVO Armored Textile Jacket.